World Homeopathy Day is celebrated annually on April 10th. The day offers an opportunity to explore and hold discussions on alternative medical systems. As part of the observance, workshops, seminars and public events were held in Shillong that aim at breaking orthodox ideologies and encouraging the use of homeopathic medicine as a capable medical option. Addressing the gathering, Commissioner and Secretary Dr. Joram stressed the need for all homeopathic physicians to work together with other doctors of the state.
Health setup was done and blood test.
Stream to allopathy. I would like to implore all the homeopathy physicians that you should collaborate together with the other doctors, be it the Ayurvedic doctors or the allopathic doctors, and ensure that the goals that we aspire to achieve for the state should be achieved. And for that, you should work at par and as equals with all the medical doctors in the state.